Welcome to Oint Country Homes, where nature seamlessly blends with luxury. To rent or to buy? This is one of the most debatable conversations in the real estate space in Kenya. But whatever your choice or preference, we agree on a few things, a few non negotiables. That is affordability, space, security, to mention but a few. So now I'm speaking to the rich aunties and uncles, those that are looking for luxury, something far from the city, but not too far from the city noise and the rush, somewhere you can go over the weekend with your family and relax and unwind. Are you thinking a country home? Because this is it. The homes feature four-bedroom villas, three-bedroom condos, lifestyle and amenities. Visit Amara Realty today to start your journey in owning a country home. Amara Realty, redefining elegance in modern living.